Ever wondered how wheel spacers affect your handling? Today we're diving into how wheel spacers work and how they affect the handling of your Toyota. When shopping for Toyota wheel spacers for daily driving off-roading use, the combination of wheel spacers, tires, ride height, and alignment settings all affect the vehicle's stance and handling. The Toyota wheel spacers can significantly influence your vehicle's appearance, stability, and off-roading performance. Enhance stability. By increasing the track weight, these Toyota wheel spacers can improve handling, especially when cornering. The wheels sit further away, which provides better stability and rollover resistance. You can achieve such a purpose without replacing the stock wheels and tires. BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. BONOSS introduces a global patent active cooling design, featuring unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance. BONOSS wheel spacers undergo over 73 SGS and tooth testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards with precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control. These spacers offer compromising safety and reliability. Whether you are aiming for a wider stance, better handling, or improved brake clearance, BONOSS wheel spacers provide a perfect solution. The Toyota wheel spacers create the necessary clearance for larger brake calipers, wider tires, and aftermarket suspension components. This is essentially for those looking to upgrade their braking system or suspension setups for better off-road performance.
If you have any questions about wheel spacer selections, leave your comments and contact us. Click the subscribe button for more. See you next time. Bye bye.